Namaste, beloved friends. This video is for you if you are practicing meditation, if you are working in any IT sector, or if you are doing any work which need focus and concentration. So normally what happens when we focus and when we concentrate too much, our, our so much energy go to our head and we feel like we can't sleep. We have feel like so much tension in the face, in the neck, in the head, in the shoulders also, and it's creating too much problems. We can't focus, and it's like too much headache sometime, and so much problem happen out of this imbalance. So it's out of my personal experience when like 1 2 year before, when I was practicing meditation so much every day 5 6 hours I used to practice meditation. So that time I feel like so much energy is moving to my head and I can't, like, it's every time it's like heaviness in my head. So that time I got this technique, very amazing technique to practice. You can practice it anytime and it will give you the so much effect. The energy from the head will go in your body and spread in all of your body. So the technique is like just simple technique. It's working on same like as we eat our food, it go from our mouth and it is store in our it go in our abdomen, in our stomach, and from stomach it store something, or it use in some other work, in like body uses for the working day-to-day activity or for the future uses. Body store this energy. So same principle we are going to use in this method. So method is simple. You can sit on the chair or anything which by which you can put your feet on the floor, your feet on the floor completely flat, and you are resting on your chair or anything which is comfortable for you. Yeah, and you can close your eyes. You can, in the beginning you can just watch me, just open your eyes and just look at me how I am doing. So placing the palms on your knees, relaxing. Now put your one palm on your abdomen. Notice your breath on the abdomen. Normal natural breathing, and feel that the energy from head is moving downward to your abdomen. Give a gentle smile on your abdomen and bring the energy to your abdomen. Now just rotate your hand around the abdomen. In the beginning you just rotate your hands, or if you practice it 2 3 times, just put your palms on your knees and visualize that you are circulating energy around your abdomen. So this process will store the energy in your abdomen, the most important part of our body to store our energy. So either you can just rotate your hand, or from mental visualize that you are rotating the energy, circulating clockwise. So try this 36 time clockwise movement on your abdomen. Slow and slow practice. Try to visualize the energies going from head to your abdomen and storing there for future use. 36 time clockwise movement of the energy on your abdomen, inside your abdomen. And when you complete 36 time rotation, do the anti-clockwise same movement. This very beautiful exercise to balance, to bring the head energy to your abdomen, and you will get rid of all the problem of insomnia, headache, tension on your head, heaviness, on your head. Just rotate the energy anti-clockwise on your abdomen. This will take 3 to 5 minutes. After rotating the energy, again bring your awareness to your abdomen. Feel that the energy is moving downward to your abdomen and storing there. Now bring your focus on your feet, on the ground, the touch of the ground on your feet. It's better if you are naked feet. The excess energy which body don't store, it will go grounded. All the energy will discharge on the ground. Feel that excess energy is moving towards the floor, towards the earth. The Mother Nature is taking care of that energy. The excess energy you are giving to the Mother Nature. Notice your feet. Notice your feet. Notice your feet. Notice your abdomen. Notice your head. The excess energy from your head is going to your abdomen, is storing there, and from the abdomen, the unwanted energy is going towards the ground, towards the earth. Just visualize this process. Slow down your breath. Relax your breath. Relax your feet. Relaxing the body in this moment, here and now. Releasing all the excess energy and using this excess energy in the body for the creative work, for the love, for the joy, for the happiness. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. One more deep breath in and out. One more in and out from the mouth. Rub your both palms. Put the palm on your head. Bring the palm down towards your abdomen, towards the feet. And just release the energy from your body, the excess energy. With a gentle smile, you can open your eyes. So this method I used when I feel too much energy on my head. This very amazing method, I got relief from this excess energy. When I was practicing the Vipassana or other technique of meditation, I got so much problem in my head. This method really helped me. So hope you practice this meditation in your day-to-day activity. Before going to the sleep, you can practice it and you can find the amazing benefit of this meditation, this 5 or 10 minutes of exercise. Thank you. Thank you for watching me. Be happy. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. Love you all.